Olympic gelStain is pigmented stain made to dry on the top of a surface. It's good for vertical surfaces such as steel doors, fiberglass doors, or wood doors. Its thick, creamy consistency keeps the gel stain from running. Now, I'm going to show you how to make a steel door look like wood using our gelStain and the Olympic wood graining tool. The first step is to apply a base coat of acrylic Olympic exterior paint on the exterior of the steel door, which we've already done. You can paint the base coat with the door still hung, but because we'll be using the graining tool, you should lay the door down. It's much easier to use the tool on a horizontal surface. Wooden doors are put together in pieces, so not all of the grains run the same way. Look at this door. You can see that it has sections going this way and some going that way. We're going to mimic this wooden look. We'll start by applying a thin coat of gelStain. Now, all it takes is a very thin coat because most of it will be coming off anyway. There we go. Next, take your Olympic graining tool and slowly drag it down one section, slightly rocking it back and forth to bring out a grain effect. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect. Not all grains are alike. Remember to keep the tool clean. If you get too much stain on it, it's going to clog up and create clumps of stain. You can do an entire door like this in about a half an hour. Doors are put together in sections, so you're just showing lines where the board should stop. Here we go. Just move your hand up and down slightly without stopping to create the graining effect. Now that we've gotten this far, you can see the grain here going one way and this grain going this way. Next, we're going to fill in the grooves in the door to create a wood grain effect with the brush. Now, give it about 15 minutes to dry a little bit, and then we're going to feather out the stain. Take a clean, soft, bristled brush and actually take off the stain and smooth it out by softening the grain. Always keep your brush clean as you do this. Okay, let the door dry for 24 hours or until the gel stain is dry. Next, apply a second coat of gel stain on top with a natural bristled brush. Keep the brush clean. Now, all we want to do in this step is color in. Remember to apply the stain in the direction of the grain. For this project, I'm using two types of gel stain. We created the actual grain using old walnut, and now we're going over it with traditional mahogany to fill it in. This will have the effect of a mahogany door with the darker grain showing underneath it. Let the door dry for at least 24 hours. Okay, after the door had completely dried, we applied a protective finish, Olympic's interior exterior varnish, to give it the protection it'll need. Like the polys, Olympic's interior exterior varnish comes in both a spray and a wipe-on formula. It's available in two sheens, satin and gloss. It's a softer finish which can be used inside and out, unlike oil-based polys, which dry to a hard finish. This softer drying means that they will expand with the heat and cold outside, so you won't have peeling and cracking problems. Wow, it's hard to believe this was originally a steel door that has been made to look like wood.